Got me falling through and through, straight to the top, I'm tumbling. My roller coaster's rumbling. Can you please explain why I'm acting out my pain? Oh, I've never been like this before. Oh, I didn't.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I go to Georgia Southwestern State University. So I'm gonna be showing you a traditional dorm. So because there's not a lot of video on there, so let's get started. So welcome to my dorm. It's a little bit messy, but I guess that's okay. Just yeah. So when you come in, there's this, I put this glass, a mirror. I put a mirror on my door, so I check my outfit every single day before I leave, so I don't look ratchet. So there. And then the thing about GSW is that every room you get, if it's a traditional or a suite, come with a bathroom, so you don't have to share with a whole bunch of people on your own. So this is my bathroom. It's just like this. It comes with like a shower, and yeah, the shower is just like that, but I wish it comes with a bath because the suite comes with a bath. But yeah, I got this from Target. Oh, this is from Walmart. This is from Walmart. I took this from home, and I got that from Walmart. Most of my stuff in my bathroom are from Walmart. So yeah, this is my closet because I don't know how to make my stuff coordinate. But next semester it's gonna be different because I am gonna get like a black hangers to, like, I forgot what they're called, but it's like this fancy looking hangers like that. Yeah, the Vervis hangers, they're like really expensive, but I'm gonna try to get 100. And then I have my shoes here, but like we're not gonna talk about that because it's just disgusting. And then my laundry is right here because it's just easy for me to like take off my clothes and just put it here. So we are coming into like the most, like, I guess fancy, like the table and the thing. So this is my microwave. My fridge, like, it's empty. There's nothing in there, I promise you. It's the empty. I feel like my fridge is the most emptiest fridge you could ever see on the planet. And I got my water bottle. This is supposed to be my, like, where I put my chips, my everything. But I just got soy sauce. I don't even use that. But like I got my water bottle, my stuff, and yeah. So we come to this table right here. I do nothing on this table. Today was the first time I actually did my makeup on here. If you guys didn't watch that video, it's probably gonna come out. Before this or after this. I don't know. Got this. If you guys didn't see me unboxing this, I unboxed it. I got it from Amazon. But the thing is that I could have waited a week and I would have gotten it for cheaper, because I think I got this for like 30 bucks. I think 30 or 20 or 40, I don't know. But if I waited, I could have gotten it for like 15 or 20. So there. I got this fan for my mom. I used it during the summertime. I've had this piggy bank since a long time, and yes, but I try not using it. Yeah, I'm the type of person that likes like Japanese painting. So guys, I'm a mess, but whatever. I like Japanese painting, like you can tell. So I got this one, and it's really cute. That just stays right here. I'm so cluttered, but whatever. I got that. I freaking love this radio, but I don't turn it on. Like you can find music that are like playing right now, like Future, Cardi B, on those, and you're freaking awesome. And I just don't want to use my phone. So we're not gonna go through this because those are just trash. I have this blanket that my mom gets me. So welcome to my bed. Well, all of the stuff on here. So my comforter is from Walmart. This is from Target, but I'm gonna get another one. I think I need like 2 more. And those are from Walmart. Pillows are from Walmart. Paintings are from Goodwill, because I think my mommy got it from there. So she got me the painting, and I think she got it from Goodwill. So yeah, my tapestry is from my sister, and I don't know where she got it from, because she got her best friend one and she has one. So yeah. Oh, I forgot about this, guys. This was so cheap. I got it from Walmart and it was like on sale, and I think I got it for $1 or $2. That was the cheapest thing, and I literally just inked it up yesterday. I've had it for like 2 months. So this is my sink. It's just like a normal sink. I got like junks at the bottom, like deodorant, like shaving stuff, just like product that like I use, but like I have some in the bathroom or some right here. And I really like this cabinet because I just put like skincare stuff, vacuum soap, and then I have this waxing stuff. It smells good, so good. If you guys are in college, get those. Those are the best. So those are my perfume, my combing stuff, my thingies, and they're so like cute. I guess there's nothing to tell you. So this is the junky bag where I just throw all my stuff on the bed, like my phone, my planner, my bag. Everything just goes on here. Well, welcome to my TV. This is my TV. I think my parents got this from a thrift store. I just don't know what thrift store they got it, but I'm trying to get one. So this is the channel I watch. They show the commercial, but like this is the best. No, Me TV is the best old movies channel. But this channel, they're showing a commercial so the movie wouldn't come on. But this is the best old movie channel right now because I love old shows. Old shows are the best. They're funny, they're hilarious, they make me laugh. This is where I must be doing work. I'm not supposed to be using this, but since I don't have a roommate right now, I'm using it. So like I don't use that, so I use this all the time. I was working on my math work, but then I guess I didn't finish. I didn't finish my math work. I did, but not really. Well, when I'm gonna show you, that's my puppy. That's my dog named Rex. He's so adorable. So this is just my junk area. I have my pencil pouch. I got the calculator, like I said. I just do stuff on here. And then I got this curtain. My mom got it for me. I don't know where she got it from, but like she got it. It's really long, so I'm thinking about rising it up a little bit to make it look like more fancy and stuff like that. But like it's just gonna be like that. I think sophomore year I'm gonna do something. You guys just stay tuned for my sophomore year because a lot of stuff is probably gonna be changed. Because I'm the type of person that cannot stay with the same thing all the time. Well, we're gonna see this amazing rug that doesn't match my room. So my mom gave it to me. She's had this rug in our house for like a long time, and no, we never used it. It just like kept eating in like the basement. And I was gonna buy a rug, but I saw a rug, but it was $100 rug. And I wasn't gonna spend $100 on a freaking rug that I'm gonna step on. No, so I decided to use this rug until I find a rug that is cheaper or like Black Friday. So I think that's the end of this video. I hope though this is the end of the room tour. I hope you guys love this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. And if you guys want to see more of myself, give this video a big thumbs up. And guys, don't forget, you can leave like videos idea down below for me to do because sometimes I've been not knowing what I want to do. So I hope you guys enjoy my college room tour. And if you guys are coming to Georgia Southwestern University, good luck. See you guys later.